welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. We are on our way to a car show right here in St. Cloud. It's called the Pantowners, and we'll be there shortly. And I want to avoid it if all possible. Forgot how big that bump was. Yeah, I can pull it. Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. I remembered my microphone cover this time, so hopefully wind won't be a problem. But they'll be playing music later, so there'll probably be a bunch of free music over the top of a lot of this later on. But I figured I'd pick up some of the cars coming in this morning. I'm not going for the ambient sound, then I can use the microphone, which I forgot I had this. Okay, so this is where the swapper stuff starts, and there's quite a bit back here. Alright, my apologies for not filming more of the car show. There are so many cars. I filmed it before, and it takes like an hour and a half to walk around there, even longer. It takes a long time. So I didn't film much other than showed a couple little highlights there. I did hit the swap meet up, got myself an original 68 Pontiac owner's manual. Apparently the one they weren't vehicle specific, so I got that one. Apparently AMT has a new 1968 GTO model out, so that's pretty cool. It's going to stay in the box, but now I have a model to match my car. And I believe, if I look it up, I believe that's solar red. I believe that's the original color of this car. I know the original color of the car was solar red, but I'm not sure that the paint scheme they have there is. And they stopped doing first, second, and third place trophies. They just do best in class. So your class might have one trophy, your class might have 5, depending on how many cars enter. It was actually kind of nice to do that, because then that way if you have a monstrous class, your chances of winning a trophy are 0, or they give away 3 trophies in a class that literally has 5 cars. So Pantowners, I got best in class. I would have been third place, but thanks to the Next X Car Club here in St. Cloud, got a few extra votes show up from those guys, so I appreciate it. I had a good time. Lots of awesome cars out there. Have some more car shows coming up here in the very near future. I'll link them in the description below. I now have a website, www.DoItMyselfGarage.com. So if you go on there, I'll have a link to the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads Facebook page that has all the car shows that they are going to have coming up. And then below that, I'll have the car shows that I'm planning on attending. And then I'm also going to, for the Next X Car Club here in St. Cloud, I'm going to get some links from them and post a link to their page for all the activities that they do, just to kind of help everybody out. Not everybody can make it to every event. Everybody has different things that they want to do. Obviously the GTO, I'm not doing road course, but other people will. Some people like to go and do the drag racing. I like to go and watch. I might take this car down the track at some point. I don't know. So I like to support the other groups and that help me out, and then help them out at the same time. All right, that being said, I just looked at my phone. I will be at the Gray Eagle Car Show in Gray Eagle Township, Minnesota. That will be on September 3rd, so that's 2 Sundays from now. I might pick up another car show in between, I'm not sure. And then the week after that, the 10th, I am planning on being at the Little Falls Car Show, September 10th. That's sponsored by the Lone Eagle Auto Club. The Gray Eagle Car Show is part of the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads. So if you go to DoItMyselfGarage.com, there'll be a link up here with the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads logo. It'll take you right to the Facebook page for the club and show you the events and all the information that you need. That's about it for this week. Kind of a short video. Just want to let everybody know what I was up to, is getting out and about, and yeah, it's kind of cool to get a trophy again. Appreciate the Next X, Corey, and all the guys helping me out with that, and got myself a model. And now I probably should put my glove box liner in. I have the glove box liner sitting right on the counter over there, but I've never installed it, so I need to get that in so I can put my manual in the glove box. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, check out the website. My contact information is on the website also if you want to get a hold of me for anything, so you don't have to message me through YouTube. I actually have an email address now. So thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.